Hey everybody, it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com, and I'm going to be trying out another eyebrow product today, and I'm really excited about this product because it looks like something that is really cool and it was super freaking cheap. So today I am trying out the Salon Perfect On Point Tri-Tip Brow Marker. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I have no eyebrows. See, remember that? Yeah, they're the faded, tattooed eyebrows. So I'm always looking to try the latest and greatest product out there to see if I can get a more natural looking eyebrow without having to get them re-tattooed again. So I picked these up. I got two colors. I got dark brown and I got universal taupe. And I picked these up from my local Walmart store. They were like $4.99, super cheap. So even if I screw this up, I'm not out a ton of money. But I thought it would be fun to kind of try and test this out with you, see how this tri-tip brow marker works on a girl that has no eyebrows. Now, to let you know, I do have foundation on my face and just a little bit of blush. I have not put on any powder yet because I'm gonna wait until after I put on the brow marker and see how that goes. So I think to start, I'm gonna try the universal taupe color and see how it works. So let's open it up. Can you see that tip? So it has three little tips on it there. They look like they have different sizes. I don't really know why that is. Let's see if I can. And if you turn it sideways, it's just flat. So there we go. All right, so let's try this on my non-existent eyebrows. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to draw in little hairs up front. That's kind of cool, huh? I don't have any hairs, I'm just kind of following the line of my tattoo. It's going on really light, so I'm going to try to press a little bit harder. Angle it down a little bit to try to mimic the hairs that would be coming from the top. That's not bad. What do you guys think? I don't mind it, huh? I don't mind it at all. I need to know when to stop, huh? All right, well, you know what? I think it looks kind of nice. In fact, now I'm a little bit worried about trying the dark brown color because I actually kind of like this color. Let's test it. Nothing came off. Oh, it did rub off a little bit. Oh yeah, it did. It rubbed off. All right, let's try this again. So I'm gonna apply some more. I should have let it sit for a little bit. You like it? Look at that. I kind of like it. I don't know if it, do you guys think it looks natural? Does it look like there's actually hairs on my eyebrow? Because that's kind of the idea, I guess. Or does it just look like I have pencil on my eyebrow? What do you think? I like it though. I am not mad at it at all. I kind of like it. All right, well, should we try the dark brown color? Let's see how the dark brown color works now. That's a lot darker, huh? I'm obviously gonna need to use a much lighter stroke. Oh, shoot. Ooh, look at those big lines that I made. This color is a little too dark for me. one's going on. This one is going on a little bit like, I feel like it looks like pen strokes. Like I feel like people are gonna know that this is fake. Gosh, I think I might have overdid it on this one. It's gonna take a little bit of practice. All right, you know what? I'm gonna remove this one because, wow, it's really dark and I screwed it up. So here's the dark brown and here's the taupe. I'm definitely feeling the taupe. Yeah, I messed this one up pretty bad. Should we test it? Should we test it and see if it stays on? I managed to rub a little bit of it off, but it's on there. It's on there pretty good. I'm gonna use a little bit of my cellar water and remove this brow. And start over. I'm gonna cover it up with some foundation and have a new base to start with. So here's a thought. Maybe I should do just a couple of dark brown hairs. Let's try it on this one. This is the one that has the taupe, so let's see how that looks. I'm just gonna fill it in a couple of this strokes of this one. Real light. Oh, that's not bad. What do you guys think of that? That looks kind of cool, huh? It looks like I have both shades going on, so I'm kind of liking that actually. I'm gonna do that again I'm gonna do that on this side. I'm gonna start with the taupe on this side, and then I'm gonna just throw a couple of little dark ones on there. There's one thing that I'm noticing about this though, is I am using it over foundation, and I think the foundation is kind of messing with the color a little bit. I noticed some of the foundation is actually getting on the tip of this marker, so maybe that's not the way to go. I guess it would be up to you what you want to do. So I got the taupe on in the base, and I'm going to throw a couple of little dark ones on top of this and see if how it looks. Really super light, because it comes on pretty heavy, I think. Oh God, why does it do that? What am I doing, you guys? Why is it doing that? Okay. That's a lot better. I know that they're not perfect. They're not perfectly symmetrical, but you know, again, eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. I don't know though, what do you think? The only thing is it looks like it's a little bit shiny, and it almost looks like, I want to say maybe they look like real brows before you guys put in all that makeup on them. So what I'm gonna do to finish this off is actually I'm gonna put a little bit of my, I'm gonna put some brown eyeshadow on there and fill it out. This is my favorite brown eyeshadow that I just love. This is some NYC color Whaatt, and you can see that this brown is very well loved. So I'm gonna take it and just try and fill in. I'm not gonna do it as heavy as I normally do it. Clean it up a little bit. I know a lot of you guys use concealer. I'm sorry, I'm too freaking lazy for that. I'm not gonna spend all this time messing up my makeup brushes. And there we have it. So what do you guys think? I'm kind of feeling it, huh? Let me finish up with my makeup and we'll look at the final results. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder on top just to kind of take away some of that shiny. And I'm gonna powder the rest of my face too while I'm at it. Alright, so my eyeshadow with this super cheap Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. You guys know me. You know me. I can't fathom spending a ton of money on makeup. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of Rimmel black eyeliner. Again, super, super cheap. Cheap is me. Okay, so now my makeup's done. And I am liking this eyebrow. I think it looks like there's actually eyebrows there that I just put makeup on over, which is what everybody does, but I think they look pretty natural. And oh my gosh, okay, so I got both colors for around $10. That's cheaper than the price of getting probably one pencil from somewhere. Should we test them? Let me rub it. Oh my God, I'm scared, okay. Not bad. If they sit for a few minutes, it looks like they stay on there pretty good. Oh, what the hell, I have a hair on my eye. Before, when I would use pencil or even just with shadow, sometimes I stress out during the day and I rub my head and I'd always be paranoid that my eyebrow is gonna be like up here or off or all over my fingers. And if I'm at work, there's nothing I can freaking do about it because I don't take all that shit to work with me. For the price, you cannot go wrong. Screw microblading. That shit costs like several hundreds of dollars. It doesn't even last. So what's the point? I just don't get it. No point in doing that. So if you have no eyebrows and you're looking for a natural solution that's super cheap, what do you have to lose? Head on over to Walmart, get yourself the Salon Perfect On Point Tri-Tip Marker. I'm pretty impressed with this product. I'm really glad I got it, and I'm really feeling the results of using both the colors together. I think that fits more with my look. But the more important question is, what do you think of my brows? Do you think that this looks natural? Did you think that the taupe was better, or did you think the dark brown was better? Do you think they look better together? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this product. Let me know what you think of this review. What could I have done differently? I have a whole bunch of eyebrow videos for girls with no eyebrows. Definitely check out my playlist to see more of these types of reviews. And if you like this type of thing, please subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching.